Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series console, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Xbox Series console. Carefully remove the console and accessories from the packaging. Make sure you have the power cable, HDMI cable, and the controller. Place the console in a well-ventilated area. Ensure it stands upright or lies flat as per your preference. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to your Xbox console. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV or monitor. Next, take the power cable and connect it to the console. Plug the other end of the power cable into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Press the Xbox button on the controller to turn on the console. Follow the on-screen setup instructions. Select your preferred language and region. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Sign in to your Xbox account or create a new account if necessary. Once logged in, agree to the terms of service. The console may prompt you for system updates. If updates are available, allow them to install. After updates are complete, customize your settings as desired. You can adjust privacy settings and notifications at this stage. Once everything is set, explore the Xbox interface. Familiarize yourself with the main menu and features. You are now ready to enjoy your Xbox Series console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.